This is Felix the Fox. He's clever, very clever, but he loved to play tricks.
Help! Help! There's a huge bear near the pond.
The forest was in chaos.
Felix, there was no bear.
Relax, it was a joke.
You tricked us again! Not funny!
Relax,
This is not good.
relax, it was a joke.
And we are no happy with that.
A few moments later.
Please, help! I can't cross the river. Is he joking again?
Probably.
But Felix was really in trouble, and no one believed him.
Please, help!
I'm sorry. I lied. I won't ever trick anyone again.
Felix had learned his lesson. We all make mistakes. We forgive you. Thanks. No more bear jokes, I promise. From that day on, Felix was honest and kind.
Thanks for watching. Take care. Subscribe my channel.